guys, it's Bubble Tea Productions here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Corinne, the Girl of the Year 2022. So let's get started. Her first book she comes with, she's called Corinne. Here she is. Here she is. Her hair comes in this little braid on the back, and she comes in this white sweater and purple, like shiny, like holographic leggings, and then little winter boots. She does come with the painted on eyelashes that a lot of the dolls, newer dolls, come with. Eyes are actually a little bit bigger than normal American Girl eyes, so if you're going to eye swap her, you would have to buy a little bit bigger eyes, and you would not be able to swap her eyes into other American Girl dolls.